Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can draw using chalk effect on Instagram story. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story, and I'm just going to pick a photo from my gallery. I'm going to select this photo, and then we can click on this three dots to access the drawing tool. Then select the draw menu, and you can click on this three dots. Then since we want to use the chalk effect, we can select the chalk. Okay, then you can choose the color you want to apply. I'm gonna go with white color. Then you just need to draw on your story like this. And once you're done, you can click on done. And once you're ready to share your story, you can click on your story, and the story will be shared to your Instagram account. Alright guys, and that's all the way to draw using chalk effect on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!